Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get jokes from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now click on Try ChatGPT. To ask ChatGPT for jokes, you can tailor your request based on the type of jokes, the subject matter, or the style you are looking for. Here, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to get jokes from ChatGPT. So let's get started. Number 1. Specify the type of joke. Example: can you tell me a funny dad joke? Here is the response. Number 2. Request jokes based on a specific topic or theme. Example: can you share a few jokes about working from home? Here you can see some jokes. Number 3. Specify the style or tone of the joke. Example: tell me a sarcastic joke about everyday life. Here it is. And number 4. Ask for jokes with a twist or a challenge. Example: give me a riddle that's also a joke. By being specific about the type, topic, or style of joke you are looking for, you can ensure ChatGPT provides humor that's exactly what you want. That's it. So this is how you can get jokes from ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.